Good morning. Very interesting case to understand Indian Evidence Act, marking of document in not only in civil proceedings because nowadays criminal court lawyers are also subject to conducting negotiable instrument cases, domestic violence cases wherein documents are being marked. So unless and until you have knowledge of how to object the marking of document is not easy to win the cases or to justify your advocacy. See, the case was very interesting. See, that is why Motilal Bora in the year 1963 entered into a lease agreement. He was landlord. Then that was subsequently renewed and so many things are there. The problem was finally the widow of seems to have widow uh, filed a suit against the tenants since lease period already been over. So the first plaintiff widow died, therefore subsequently other plaintiff was brought as their legal heirs. The tenant was objecting, stating that they are not the original sons of deceased Bora, and they are able to produce Amir and Ashraf are sons of Din Muhammad, who were born in Pakistan, and they are citizens, therefore they are not competent to own the suit property. Finally, this was a fantastic objection. Finally, the court framed the following: whether suit was maintainable, the suit is bad for non-joinder, mid-joinder of parties, as the lease granted by the lease deed executed on 39 stood determined application of time 3984. Then are the present plaintiff entitled degree? This is what then these all are the certificate where documents were produced before the trial. Birth certificate issued by Calcutta Municipal Corporation, ration cards in the name of the plaintiff, school certificate of the plaintiff, passport in the name of plaintiff. Admit card issued by the government of West Bengal, Bengal Madrasa Education Board, and admit card issued by the West Bengal Council of Higher Secondary School. Admit card issued by the Calcutta University. These all are the documents they have filed, but the tenant seems to have filed some document stating that the certificate was issued by Pakistan. So the issue was decided like this. You go through the judgment history. Issue was this: they have marked certain document. The defendant tenant seems to have filed an application for issuance of summons for production of the following document. Then those document and produced to register. The problem before the Calcutta High Court Division Bench, first appeal, they have said that though certain documents were filed, marked, not marked as an exhibit, but after even marking the document, the court can decide the admissibility of the document, whether that is coming under public document or not, So you have to look into section 74, 78, 6, 78 subclass 6, 77, 76, 77. All these are dealing with the public document. So the ratio was that tenants produce document from director of birth and death to prove that current landlords are citizen of Pakistan and incompetent to own the property. So the document produced would fall in category of other official document and its authenticity is not proved. Document did not bear any attestation by High Commission for India in Pakistan. So tenant took 18 years to produce sham document with the sole intention to delay trial. 1 lakh cost was imposed. So the thing was that the document produced by the landlord was accepted. The document produced by the tenant after a belated time by filing an application under Order 13 Rule 3(4) for production of document. So even you can, if you want to produce certain document from income tax authorities or some other authorities to support your case in DVC or Negotiable Instrument Act, you can file application under Order 13, Rule 3 and 4, and also read with 311 CRPC and 91 CRPC for production of document. I hope you understand the judgment. This is AR 2023, Calcutta 66. Musammat Khatun Begum, inherited by Muhammad Nasim Lodi and others, versus Raja Muhammad Amin and others. Several Supreme Court judgments were discussed that may be very cumbersome for young lawyers, but this judgment, the index about I, will be helpful for you. What is probative value? Probative value, what is the strength of the document produced, whether that should have bearing on the issues framed by the court. These things are there. Kindly try to understand best.